What was that like, being a Filipino living in the Philippines and beginning to explore the possibility of bringing your father to a nursing home?
Nung, nung bata tayo, I would hear stories of, pinabayaan yung magulang, dinala sa home for the aged. And that was the term, I don't know if that's being used now, but that was the term before, home for the aged. Um, I thought about that, but I didn't dwell on that too much. Okay, what would I be stigmatized? What would people tell of me if I bring my parents? Pinaaral ka niya, Noli. No, Noli, you're a lawyer, pinaaral ka, nakatira ka sa magarang bahay. You know, your kids go to good schools. Is that the best you can give to your father? Bring him to a senior's home? I mean, I asked that of myself, but you know, what the driver of the decision first was, of course, I wanted my family to have quality of life as well. Yung hindi ka dadaan sa, yung makakadaan sila sa dinadaanan nilang dati at hindi iiwasan yung tatay ko. Because he has a temper. He would get triggered easily. So I wanted my household to live more comfortably, more easily. Number one, and that's really practical, and I'm not bashful about that. Number two, I really wanted him in his last years. And Louis, ang parents ko at yung tatay ko at uncles and aunts ko, long livers sila. I mean, 90s is an ordinary age for them. And ang tatay ko, mainit ang ulo, mahaba ang tenga. Baka mahaba pa buhay niyan kasi bibigyan pa ni Lord ng chance na magbago yan lalo eh. Yan ako sa biro. Alam mo, Sir Jerry, yung kwento eh. But I wanted him to have the best care. And I knew I don't want the caregiver, to be snapping at him all the time or many times, not necessarily all the time, but I don't want to do that. I want him to be loved. And when we see each other, my dream was that I wouldn't be angry